Hey, Mark Sisson here. I want to share with you my favorite meal of the day, the big ass salad. 100% Whole30 approved. This is the foundation of my diet. Probably should be the foundation of most people's diet. I start with a bowl of mixed greens, and then I add whatever vegetables are on hand. Some radishes, red peppers, red bell peppers, a little bit of avocado slices, some cucumber, some blanched broccoli, and some, what do you call these? Asparagus spears. And then I'm going to put some nuts on the top, add finally the protein for the day, for the meal. Now, it's missing probably the most important ingredient, and that's the salad dressing. In this case, I'm going to be using my new favorite dressing, the lemon turmeric. It just came out a couple of months ago. It's spectacular, works really well with chicken or fish on any salad. There you go, the big ass salad. And don't forget to visit primalkitchen.com/Whole30 and find a special offer on one of our favorite Whole30 products.